me any question you'd like. It could be.
When I first started boxing.
Keep going.
Get your shot.
These types of motivational speakers, you know, like
What type of motivational speaker are you looking for? What thing?
I don't want a motivational speaker. No. I think the entire practice is absurd. At least it's been bastardized for so long that it's lost any resemblance to true motivation. I mean, the format itself, it's fundamentally impersonal, but they're supposed to traverse that barrier and make it a personal experience for the person. And in my regard, in my case, I should say, it doesn't work like that. I don't do well with that traversal. It doesn't work. There are ontological barriers or obstacles in the way of knowing. I think at best you get epistemic ones, whether you can actually boast in the nature of knowledge. And, but reality is ultimately what I consider to be known through experience. It's known prima facie. What these principles which you just assume is natural. I mean, if that's not actual reality and there's some reality beneath the reality, then this other reality, this actual reality, is ultimately arbitrary and it's not of concern. I mean, it's not going to make a difference. You know what I mean? I'm always involved in the world of experience, and I consider myself to be a materialist anyway. And part of my own writing has been to reconcile this notion of idealistic qualities to things and the material nature of things and the nature of history and the history of things and everything else. I mean, so I'd say we can know what reality. What about you? What would you think?
Well, I really don't know.
Yeah.
One of those Google questions.
Yep. It's always different answer.
Like Socrates mentioned, it might just be a shadow of what reality really is.
Yeah.
Don't you just need 2 years?
So I find that very vague, incoherent.
Yeah.
My ideas might be incoherent.
Yeah. I don't know if it's incoherent, but it's ultimately irrelevant. It's not important to me. I mean, it's because I align myself with phenomenology. I'm very much interested in experiencing what Husserl called the Essex dilemma. I mean, the act, intentionality, the very nature of experience, all my hopes, the lived reality that I experience, the lived world, is what I'm concerned with. And whether that's not reality or whatever reality is supposed to be, it doesn't matter. It's indifferent. The temptation is to extrapolate too far and lose sight of the natural experience, the regular experience. So I'm having this conversation with you right now. If we didn't think about it, then it would just be natural. We assume that it's real, you know? It doesn't even cost more. It's when we start thinking about it, well, maybe it's not real. Well, we have no reason to think that. Our natural experience tells us it's real. It's as real as it gets. I'm experiencing it, you know?
Are you eating something?
I get a strong sense that
Your father can't get my baby.
Anyways,
I really do wish that high school would bring philosophy class.
yeah. I think it would be beneficial.
Critical thinking.
Yeah. It teaches you how to think. That's ultimately what philosophy does. It doesn't. Yeah, definitely. Philosophy is different than sciences because it doesn't tell you what to think per se. It tells you how to. I mean, if you read philosophy so you can learn what to think about a subject, you're reading philosophy wrong. It should be to spark that creativity, to learn how to think and learn how to create your own concepts. I just think philosophy itself is only the generation of new concepts. I mean, there's nothing else besides it. It's not metaphysics, it's not ontology. Those are just simple manifestations of the creative enterprise. I mean, philosophy, when you have a philosophical movement within a particular, what it means is this radically creative gesture within the context of a discursive tradition. You have this pre-established tradition that's discursive, and there's a radically new concept that's introduced to it. That's what philosophy is. In that regard, every discipline has its philosophy, but strict philosophy will teach you how to think, how to create those concepts. And that would be invaluable to any high school student who has to sharpen their abilities. I mean, utilize true thinking skills in other classes.
Exactly. I feel our society mimics continue to follow.
Just endlessly catalog the do's and don'ts of society for eternity. It's so sad. I mean,